Hi guys, I am EP. In this video, we are going to see what is a profit and loss statement in an annual report of a company. Okay, let's get started. In the previous video, we have seen that what is a annual report of a company, and we have seen what are all the statements are included in the annual report of a company. In that, the main thing is the financial statement of a company, and in that financial statement, there are three things available. The first one is profit and loss statement, and the second one is balance sheet of the company, and the third one is the cash flow statement. In this video, we are going to see in depth about what is the profit and loss statement. Okay, the thumb rule for the every company to submit their profit or loss statement. Okay, it is revenue, expense, and tax expense, and the final profit or loss. Okay, the revenue is also called as income or sales. In one complete financial year, how much product or service the company sold and how much money they have earned. Okay, that is the income or sales or a revenue, and it is also called as the top line top line of a statement. Okay, to make the product or services, we should buy a raw material or we should hire the workers or laborers. Okay, that is called expenses. If we minus the income from our expense, then we can get the profit, that is the profit before tax. After that, for the profit we have made, we should pay tax to the government. Okay, and if we less the tax expense from the profit, then we can arrive the profit or loss. It is the outlook of the profit and loss statement. It is applicable for the every company as well as an individual person. Okay, now let me show you how to apply it for an individual person. For the financial year 2023, I get the salary of 5 lakh rupees, that is 5 LPA. Okay, and I have I have my home rent and my food expenses, some like that. Okay, I have spent around 3 lakhs for my expenses. Because I am a salaried person, I should pay income tax according to our income. We should not consider 2 lakhs as our income after minusing our expenses. Okay, because I am a salaried person, I should pay tax to the income what I am earned. Okay, let's say I am paying taxes of 10,000 rupees for the 5 lakhs I have earned. My net profit is 5 lakh minus 3 lakh 10,000. Okay, that is 1 lakh 90,000. It is my profit for the year. While analyzing a profit and loss statement for a company, we should compare it with the previous year, that is 2022 annual report, and we should see whether the revenue has given a growth and whether the profit are grown. Okay, even though the revenue or income is same, but the expenses should not be higher. Okay, so that our profit may affect in the long term. Compare the current profit and loss statement for a company with the previous year as well as 2 years before. Okay, to know whether the company is really growing or not in terms of profits, I'm saying. Okay, previous video we have seen the example of the Infosys company. Now let us see P&L report for the Infosys company itself for the financial year 2023. Okay, the previous video we have seen how to get the annual report of the company in the company site itself. Okay, in that we can see financial statement, and I am going to select the consolidated financial statement. Okay, in that statement here we can see the consolidated profit and loss statement. Okay, that is at one. Okay, now you have a doubt that what is the difference between the consolidated and the standalone. Okay, the main difference between the consolidated profit and loss statement and the standalone profit and loss statement is the consolidated statements overall company's performance. Okay, if the company has a subsidiary one, and it will also include their profit and loss statement with that company statement, and the standalone statement which will give the report of the company's primary business itself, that is how much service the Infosys have done for the other companies. That profit and loss statement is called standalone profit and loss statement. If the Infosys company has a stake in the other company or as a subsidiary company, everything will be included in the consolidated profit and loss statement. As an investor, we should look the consolidated profit and loss statement only. If you are going to look at the standalone profit and loss statement, then we should use that statement to compare the two companies in the same industries. Okay, for that you can use the standalone statement, and for overall analysis we should use the consolidated statement only. Okay, if you see here, statement is in rupees crores. Okay, and here we can see the revenue from operation and the other income of the companies. That is the total income is for 2023, it is around 1,49,468 crores. Okay, and here is a 2022. For comparison, the company has given the side by side itself to make our analysis easy. Okay, for 2023 they have done only 1,23,936 crores. Okay, at first itself we can see our total income is increased from the last year. Okay, that's a good sign. And here we can see the expenses, that is employee benefit expense, the cost of technical subcontracts, and the travel expense, and the cost of software packages. These are all the expense of the companies. Okay, and if you go to the notes section, the company will elaborately explain what the company has actually done for the employee benefit expenses and what are all their revenue from operations. The company will in-depthly explain about what the statement means. Okay, and our total expense comes around 1,16,146. Okay, the expenses also increase from the previous year, but that's okay. And it is the profit before tax. Okay, that is 33,322. If we minus the income from our expenses, then we can get 33,322. Okay, and we can see the profits have, and we can see the profit before tax is also increased from the previous year to current year. Okay, and it is the tax expenses we can see here, that is 9,287 is for current tax and deferred tax is 73 crores. Okay, and it is the profit for year, that is the net profit is 24,108. And you can see here from the last year around 2,000 crores the profit has increased. Okay, it is the consolidated statement of profit and loss. Okay, 24,108 rupees is the net profit the company has done for the financial year 2023. Okay, that is marginally increased around 2,000 from the previous year to current year. Okay, in this video we have seen what is a financial statement, and in that financial statement what and all things will be there, that is profit and loss statement, balance sheet, as well as the cash flow statement. And we also seen the outline of the profit and loss statement, that is what is revenue, what is expense, and what is the tax expense, and what is the net profit. Okay, and the main three things to see in the profit and loss statement is, the first one, whether the company is making a profit or not. Okay, and second one, what is the profit margin of the company, and third one, whether the profit of the company is growing year on year. Okay, these are the main three things we should look in the profit and loss statement of the company while doing a fundamental analysis of a company. Okay, in the next video we can see about the balance sheet of a company, that is what is assets and what is liabilities. Okay, still then stay tuned. Thank you for watching.